Click on the link below to get price. The Sony K85XR90 85-inch XR90 series Bravia Mini LED HDR QLED 4K television stands out in the crowded market of high-definition displays, combining cutting-edge technology with an impressive design. Right from the unboxing, it's evident that Sony has invested in quality materials, providing a sleek, modern aesthetic that complements any living space. One of the most striking features is the mini LED backlighting, which enhances the contrast and brightness of the screen. This technology allows for deeper blacks and brighter highlights, resulting in a viewing experience that feels incredibly immersive. Coupled with the quantum dot technology, colors appear vibrant and lifelike, making it a fantastic option for both movie enthusiasts and gamers alike. The 4K resolution ensures that every detail is crystal clear, and Sony's XR cognitive processor elevates the viewing experience even further by optimizing sound and image in real time. The upscaling capabilities are particularly impressive, transforming standard definition content into near 4K quality, which is a game-changer for those with a library of older films and shows. The Smart TV functionalities are robust, featuring Google TV, which allows for seamless access to popular streaming services and apps. Navigation is intuitive, and the voice control feature adds a layer of convenience for users. The inclusion of HDMI 2.1 ports makes it a future-proof choice for gamers looking to take advantage of next-gen consoles, supporting features like 4K at 120 Hz. Sound quality is another strong point. The built-in speakers deliver a clear and immersive audio experience. However, for audiophiles, considering a soundbar or external speakers may still enhance the experience. In summary, the Sony K85XR90 delivers an exceptional visual and auditory experience. Its combination of mini LED technology, robust smart features, and stunning design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment setup. This TV is undoubtedly a worthy investment for those seeking quality and performance in a large screen format.